What's it like? I mean, you just brought up the 145 years. So let's talk about that for like a little bit. What's it like working for a company that's been around for so long in general? And then kind of linking back to the family linkage, because you not only are you working in a company that's been around for almost a century and a half,
Yeah.
but you're also part of the family lineage that sort of started this thing and got it together. What's that like?
It feels like a purpose, it feels like you've got a purpose to get up every day and go to work. But not only that, it's not just sort of my life or my career. It's all the families that have worked for us and all the, our general manager has been there for over 3 decades. People have been there for so long, and you'll run into people who used to work at the company, around Guilford or around the small towns in Connecticut. Oh, well, we used to work for that, or my husband did, or there's something that's just so special about that. And it really is a family atmosphere, not only the people that work there, but their families. So it really gives you a purpose to get up every day and to make sure that the success of the company, it really is in the younger generation. It's up to us.
Yeah,
so.
that certainly is.